Travel on a budget while paying off debt? Yes, it's possible. There's a massive misconception that paying off debt means locking yourself in your house with zero fun, but it doesn't have to be that way. Learning how to travel on a budget is actually a superpower that helps you stay motivated without burning out. I'm May. I achieved financial freedom by investing early and learning everything I could about personal finance. Today, I've partnered with Freedom Debt Relief to show you how to live your life and see the world while staying laser focused on crushing your credit card debt. The cold turkey mindset usually leads to a massive rebound spend later. Instead of no fun, we're going for planned fun. The rule is simple: pay in cash. Carrying cash makes it easier to keep track of your spending. We aren't adding a single cent to your credit card debt. Pro tip: if you're traveling abroad, steer clear from exchange currency shops and airport kiosks. The fees are significantly higher, which means you're getting less of your dollars back. Second, if you're going to use your credit card, make sure you're using a card with no foreign transaction fees. Those 3% charges on every meal or souvenir add up fast and do nothing but increase your credit card debt. Use the bank's tools to your advantage, but only spend what you've already set aside for the vacation. When you're on a debt-free journey, mindless spending is the enemy. Before you leave, go into your banking app and set up spending alerts. I set mine to notify me for every transaction over $1. It sounds annoying, but that instant ping on my phone keeps my goals top of mind. It's a digital reality check that stops you from overspending in the heat of the moment. It's much easier to maintain financial balance when your phone is gently reminding you of your budget every time you tap your card. These are the kind of vacation budget tips that make debt-free travel actually feel possible. Once you're actually at your destination, it's time to get creative. The fastest way to blow a budget? Taxis and Ubers. If you want to know how to travel on a budget like a pro, embrace public transit and your own 2 feet. Most cities have incredible trains or buses for a couple of dollars. Better yet, walking is free, it's great exercise, and you see the real city, not just the inside of a car. Those $30 rideshare fees are better spent on a great local dinner, or even better, a direct payment towards your credit card debt. Life doesn't start once you're debt-free. Life is happening right now. You can travel on a budget, make incredible memories, and still crush that debt. If you want more tips on how to travel on a budget while staying debt-free, hit subscribe. And if you're struggling with credit card debt, check out freedomdebtrelief.com. They've resolved over $22 billion in debt for their members. Let's get to work and let's have fun along the way.